Hello everybody. Today we're working on a couple of things. I just finished at the end of the table the Nathan K2 bells 1 and 2, belongs to Mass Coastal. It sat in a building full of condensation for a very long time. I had a bugger of a time to get the diaphragms out. I got them out. I got that horn all back together now. I'll be doing a test of that pretty soon. But what I got thrown out on the table right now is 3 RS chambers, Tampa chambers. And in the green socks are new, all stock, the nozzle housings. And today we're going to put them together. These have never been used on anything. They come with the 3 holes to hold the horn and hold this to the manifold, but I don't know if it's kind of hard to see. They are not threaded for the back cap. That's why you have to use these special bolts. It's called a hex threading bolt. The end of it's been mashed on 3 sides, and when it goes in, it forms the thread. So we're going to put 3 chambers together today. Got a little bit of thread cutting oil, 3 Tampa back caps. I've got used diaphragms, but the silicone is perfect. And that's what we're going to go with. First thing is to remember to line the spike up with the air hole. I have messed up a couple of times before doing this. I had to take it apart. Little thread cutting oil, just quick dip. Get them started. Well, get them in the hole anyway. Okay, my trusty impact. First time I did this, I was scared. Because I know I always say, don't use an impact to tighten them up. This, you got no choice. First shot, just get them going just a little bit. Make sure they're square. And then you go. Other side. Done deal. First one I did was a little scary. Do another one here. Bang them out real quick. I already got silicone on the rubber. Hole. Hole. Okay. Inside today, we got 50-mile-an-hour gusts going here. May 9th, and this morning we kept getting light flurries. Yeah, it's May 9th. Welcome to Buzzards Bay. You never know what the weather's going to be here minute to minute. Okay, get this started. Make sure this straight. And say, good luck! Other side. Third one. These are going on an RS3K that I'm building. Critter wants this one to be his. I told him he's got to earn it. But he said he will. I'll give him a chance. Yeah, it's getting hard to get the getting good RS chambers and housings too. Seems like every time I come across some, they need work. I think I've gotten a total of 2 that have been decent. That's it, and that's a done deal. Three chambers ready to go. Now the biggest thing is to get the oil off them and the silicone to be able to paint them. So I usually just spray them down with brake clean. That seems to work pretty good. Doesn't cost a lot. I've tried a couple different things on threading the new chambers and found the dark thread cutting oil works really good. It seemed to work better for me than anything else so far, so I stick with that. That's what I use. That's about it, I guess. And there you basically have 3 like new power chambers. I couldn't afford new diaphragms, so I got a hold of my friend and he gave me 3, perfect used diaphragms. I have good luck with that quite a bit, using the used ones. The RS5T that we just built, we put up a video of that. Those chambers are 100% brand new. There's no used anything on them. And I couldn't afford to swing it. Not again, for this. So this will be fine. They'll work. The RS chambers is something that I'm just starting to get into. I haven't done a lot with them. So it's all a learning process. I'm finding that the best way for the RS chambers is just, if you can, invest a little extra and go with a little, the newer stuff. I couldn't find 3 decent nozzle housings. I just had 3 repaired. I didn't repair for a guy on the fire department here in town, and he over tightened the housing so much that he split where the bolts go in, because there's not much meat on here like the S chambers, and it cracks and it'll split right off. So I brought it over to my buddy, and he welded them up, and I'm going to put them together in a little while here and try that out, see if that repair works. I haven't tried fixing any like that. I got a handful of them without bolts that hold them on to the manifold are broken, and there's a couple of them that piece is even missing. So I'm going to see how that works too. But for now, everybody, have a marvelous day, and keep the faith. The sun's going to come out and it's going to warm up to 60 here someday. Alright everybody, see ya.